Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Now take a look at your skin. Is it tight? Is it firm? Does it look plump and youthful? Do you have a natural glow to the skin? Sure, some of you might and some of you might not. I myself is looking for tighter and firmer skin. So what I'm going to do for you, and also I did for myself, is to make a remedy that can help to tighten and firm the skin. Now this remedy, I select ingredients that are rich in vitamins and minerals that are known to help the skin to look younger and fresher and also firmer. I am going to be using papaya, and some of you might not know what a papaya is. Take a look at it. It is right here. This fruit right here is loaded with antioxidants that is nourishing to the skin. Very close to avocado. It's like the next best thing to avocado. Vitamin C and vitamin E. Not only that, guys, it helps to nourish and protect the skin. Using papaya on the skin can help to transform the skin. I am going to mix the papaya with some other skin firming ingredients, and you're going to use it on the skin as a facial exfoliator and as a facial mask. So you're going to apply it on the skin and rub it in, and then you leave it for a few and rinse off. I've been using papaya on my skin and I just love the way my skin is looking. You're looking for fresher, you're looking for brighter, radiant skin at any age, and especially, guys, if you're getting on in age where you're starting to see the sagginess going on the skin. So if you're interested in this video, guys, watch the video to the end. We're going to share a full detailed recipe. It's going to be a process, but we're using minimal ingredients in it. So continue to watch to the end, guys. Give me a thumbs up, and if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that each time I upload a video, you will get a notification right away. Now let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up. My first ingredient is going to be papaya. And papaya gentle exfoliate the skin. The enzyme papain breaks down dead skin cells, which help to reveal newer, brighter skin without any form of irritation. Papaya have anti-aging properties since it have antioxidants like lycopene and vitamin C, which help to fight free radicals, boost collagen and elastin, and also help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. It is loaded with vitamin A, which makes it great for mature skin. So we are going to be blending the papaya. After it has been blended, take a look at it, and now we are going to set it aside and move on to my next ingredient. My next ingredient is going to be some cornstarch, and cornstarch have to absorb excess oil on the skin, making it ideal for oily skin. But not only that, when you mix the cornstarch the way I'm mixing it today, it can help to tighten and firm the skin. When you add the other ingredients to it, it makes a perfect anti-aging, skin firming, skin tightening facial mask. So what I'm going to do, I am going to reach for some hot water, and I'm going to pour it in the bowl with the cornstarch. This is going to thicken the cornstarch and give it more of a gel-like consistency. So you want to mix, and you want to mix well, making sure to get rid of any lumps that might occur from the cornstarch. Now, once this is done, guys, we are going to let this cool a little, and then we are going to add some other ingredients. Now, my next ingredient is going to be some milk. And today we are using regular milk. Now, if you do not want to use milk, you can go ahead and use some soy milk instead of the milk in this recipe. We're using a tablespoon of the milk. Milk contains lactic acid, which helps to slush off dead skin cells on the skin. Next, I'm going to reach for some oils, and I'm going to be using some aloe vera oil. Aloe vera oil clear hyperpigmentation, moisturize the skin, and keep the skin healthy and leave it with a natural glow.
My next oil is going to be some vitamin E oil, which is also very nourishing to the skin. Also, it's going to help to keep bacteria out of this DIY. And we do not use a lot, just a few drops of the vitamin E oil. And now that that is done, I'm going to reach back for our papaya mixture. And I'm going to take about 3 tablespoons of the papaya mixture, and I'm going to add it to the bowl with the milk and the cornstarch. And now we are going to mix this in, and we are going to mix well, totally blending all the ingredients together. Now, once this is done, I'm going to reach for a saucepan and I'm going to place it on the stove top, and I'm just going to pour the liquid in the saucepan. We want to keep the stove for this one very, very low, and then we are going to gently stir the mixture in the saucepan slowly, slowly, slowly. Now, we are basically just steaming the ingredients. Now, this is going to take a while, not long, but probably about 3 to 4 minutes or so. And because you want it to be on very, very, very low flame. Now you just keep stirring, and you can see this is thickening up nicely. And not only that, guys, this is also going to prevent any form of a bacteria from forming fast in this mixture. So now take a look at that. This is as thick as we want it to be. So what we're going to do with this now, we are going to remove it from the stove top. If you have rose water, you can choose to add a little bit of rose water to this recipe. And now, nice and thick, let's remove it from the stove top. We're mixing papaya, cornstarch, aloe vera oil, and vitamin E oil. And now this is ready to take off the stove. Now take a look, guys. Look how thick and creamy this is. Now note that this is still very, very much hot, guys. So you want to be very careful how you work with it. After all the excess water has been dried out, it is now ready to use on the skin. Before you jump and put it on the skin, guys, you got to make sure it is cooled. So we're going to pour ours in a small jar. You can go ahead straight and pour it in your storage jar for preserving this. So let's just scrape this out, and every drop is special. So you want to just scrape. And now that this is done, everything is in this small bowl. What we're going to do with this, we are going to mix it for you to see, and we are mixing well, totally blending all the ingredients together that forms this cream. Now, once this is done, you're going to set this aside. Set this aside to cool. When you set it aside to cool, it's going to get even thicker, guys. Not to worry. Once you apply it on the face, it's just going to smooth out on the skin. You're going to apply this on your face, your neck, and décolleté. And you're going to let it sit on the skin for at least 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, you're going to rinse off. Now, do not let this one get in your eyes, and use it often. And it is good to use every day, but at least 2 to 3 times per week is best for this remedy. Go ahead, guys, and apply it for tightening and firming, and basically leaving your skin with a natural glow.